A top 10 Friday night matchup takes us to Huntington Beach as number 1 Servite takes on Edison. The Chargers move the ball to the Friars red zone where Chase Favreau throws a fireball to Troy Bellew, a 25-yard touchdown pass. And talk about a jump ball here, Servite's Pittman connects with Butch Powell in the end zone. The Butcher wins that battle, but the Friars are down 7-6 after a missed PAT. Servite kicks off and Connor Bevins kicks a boomerang. The Friars recover after the ball bounces into the hands of Daniel Tejeda. More of him later. The boys in black hand it off to sophomore Andrew Moore, who rushes in a 14-yard touchdown. Man, that kid's scary, only a sophomore. Servite leads 13-7. Favreau faced pressure all night. Here, Brendan Johnson makes him eat dirt. And before the half would close, Pittman rolls to his left and finds the tallest dude on the field. 6'6" of Sam Hunt scores a 10-yard touchdown. Servite leads Edison 20-7 at the half. And just check out Servite's defense in the third. The Friars burst through the offensive line as Butch Powell sacks Favreau. However, no fumble on the play. Later in the fourth, Daniel Tejeda drops the hammer as he picks off Favreau and takes it 32 yards to the big house. Servite defeats Edison for the third consecutive time, 27-14.
Yeah, it was tough. I mean, they're physical up front, and, 2 of our 3 backs are hurt. So, we thought we could throw on them. We just weren't consistent enough, either blocking, throwing, or catching, But we played hard. We didn't quit. We can build on it.
I'm glad we got it done. Edison's a great program. Coach White's a great coach, and so anytime you can beat them is a big win.
Oh yeah, all week we preached what we wanted to do was come out here and play Servite defense. In the past, we all look up to those guys that have played before, Carlton Dennis's, Jordan Jones. We just wanted to come out and represent and really do what they did in the past, and we're a physical team and a hard-hitting defense.
Yeah, well, this is a huge game for us. I mean, Edison's a great team. It's a huge rivalry between us. But they came out, played a great game. We played a great game, and we were fortunate to come out on top on this one.
After the game, Servite's head coach Troy Thomas said that he was glad they got a win here tonight because the last time they played here, it wasn't very much fun. 2 years ago, the Friars lost to Edison. After that, a 29-1 run that's seen them win back-to-back Pac-5 championships and a state bowl game along the way. But the tough non-league schedule continues for the Friars as next week they're on the road in Las Vegas to take on Bishop Gorman. Reporting from Huntington Beach, I'm Jonathan Camus for OCVarsity.com.